Forex, or foreign exchange, is the exchange of one currency for another. Foreign exchange is one of the most common types of transactions, with trillions of dollars changing hands every day. Here's Richard. Richard is an American university student. This summer, he decides he wants to backpack through Europe, and has saved up $1,000 to do so. Only problem, the American dollars in his bank account won't be accepted in most European countries. Richard needs to exchange his US dollars for euros. Unlike the stock market, there is no central location for trading forex like a stock exchange. Instead, banks, online brokers, and kiosks handle most of the transactions, and each takes a different commission. So, Richard heads over to his bank to exchange his cash. Richard hands the teller his $1,000 and asks him for euros. The teller lets Richard know that the exchange rate is 1 to 0.75 and gives him back 750 euros. Also, unlike stocks, foreign exchanges are compared against each other. A US dollar to euro exchange rate of 1 to 0.75 means every US dollar is worth 0.75 euros, and 1 euro is worth 1.25 US dollars. Traders and investors buy and sell currencies depending on how they think the future will unfold. Many factors affect exchange rates, including political stability, economic outlook, and interest rates.